Welcome back to the Daily QCI. It's Tuesday. Yesterday, we talked about burnout. And look around, doesn't matter what profession you're in, burnout is being talked about. We talked about some solutions yesterday, monitoring yourself, being mindful of how you're feeling, what you're doing, how you're doing it. Today, we have a specific solution to help to reduce your chances of burnout. Because today, we're going to talk about delegation. Take some stuff off of your plate, put it on somebody else's. According to DDI's 2025 Global Leadership Forecast, 71% of leaders say stress has spiked since they took their current role. Over half have reported actual burnout. Leaders who know how to delegate well are significantly less likely to burn out. But only 19% of leaders describe themselves as having good or above average delegation skills. 19%. So let's work on these delegation skills and bring in some tools from a couple of experts. So why is this the case? Well, most leaders are stuck in doer mode. They earn their role by being the go-to person to solve problems, get things done. Now they're expected to lead without a roadmap to show them how or where. Burnt out leaders are 34% less likely to rate their effectiveness as high, 3.5 times more likely to quit. They're only half as engaged, and that's contagious in all the wrong ways. Remote and hybrid leaders face higher burnout despite reporting lower stress. On-site leaders feel more pressure to perform while present. Mismatched work settings between leader and team, that doubles the stress. So ask yourself, what's one thing that you're holding on to that somebody else could own? And who on your team is ready to step up if you'd let them? Delegation isn't weakness, it's leadership. So you want your team to grow? Give them the room. Beth Hubbard and Scott Latham at the Manning School of Business have described a nice framework for how to delegate more effectively that takes into account your trust in the individual and your trust in the existing processes or systems for the given task or project. So, high trust in both, let them fly. You let go of the thing. High trust in the person, but not in the processes or systems. In this case, delegate, but make sure that you're creating better processes or systems along the way with the person you've delegated to. It's relieving some from your plate while building a better foundation. If you have low trust in the person, but high trust in the processes or systems, then delegate while educating. Try to bring that person up. And you can rely on those solid systems to help. And finally, if you have low trust in both, here, try delegating, but you're going to need to stay engaged. So it may take some off of your plate, but not quite as much as once you get both high trust in both. Want to survive the year a little better? Let go of that doesn't need you. I'll see you tomorrow.